I'm so glad we went through a little history lesson. Let's do that a little more.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry. Welcome to another debate review. This time it is between Pence and Kamala Harris. Okay, I'm sure when I said the first debate that was between Joe Biden and Donald Trump, and that was an utter mess.
It's unfortunate that people can change something that was just pure innocent fun into drama.
So let's get into this review, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So make sure to hit the like button from now. Whew. Oh, my hand really not covered. Oh damn, this is really bad.
Box cover.
Alright, so first up the debate started, and this time the moderator was Susan Page of USA Today.
Good evening. From the University of Utah in Salt Lake City, welcome to the first and only Vice Presidential debate.
I'm not gonna lie, the woman, she gave me a 60 minutes vibes.
I'm Ed Bradley. I'm Steve Croft.
I'm Leslie Stahl.
I'm Susan Page of USA Today.
Like the Beverly Hills chairperson of the Neighborhood Watch.
It is my honor to moderate this debate.
Like I can just tell say our grandparents them would have got AISK.
That me say.
An important part of our
Then it's like she mixed with 2 pounds of Barbara Walters.
How do you say goodbye to...
With one little toops of Betty White.
I'm just gonna quit while I'm ahead.
But then now when I see the stage now, me have to say, hold up. Why this looks so visa renewal-ish?
and we've taken
So then now Susan went ahead and introduced the candidates.
Please welcome California Senator Kamala Harris and Vice President Mike Pence.
Kamala Harris stepped through on that stage like she is, so she just make top 5.
Jamaica!
And then you see Pence, Mr. Mike Pence, he walking on the stage like, you know when your mother call you out of your bedroom because she want to show you off to her friend them? Because you get 90% on your mock exam. Then they proceeded to this awkward moment.
Thank you.
You know the moment there when you're there road, you're there road and mind your little business, and then you buck up your ex, and then you have to consider to yourself, say, Jesus Supreme, do I just hold my head straight, or do I like stop and do a little dry heel? Hey, what's up? Alright, you good? Alright, okay, nice to see you. Alright, okay. So Susan now fly the gate now, start off the debate with I guess one of the hottest issues them right now, that is COVID-19.
39 states have had more COVID cases over the past 7 days.
No, let me just tell you these people. You see, if it's one thing that Senator Kamala Harris is going to do, it's going to be to shake her head.
Administration in the history of our country. The last several months. Sacrificial worker.
And something about she shaking her head make you just want to shake her head into agreement. It's like Kamala could not tell you, say, you are a piece of trash. And see your head here? Wait! There is something with fear type of speech where it's not social distance. It's like she socially just itch up right in your so in your chest. She just take up residence.
Who in the last several months had to file for unemployment.
This is crazy.
Till if you're a mind sharp, it's like your inner good as will just run right out and you just feel like you're one of them like a proper gal there when they're roadside with the setters them in your ear.
You're right.
Like say you talk to one of your girlfriend them. Yeah man, me not lie man, like all when you have big bad thugs, your inner quiet period just pop right through.
And here's the thing. On January 28th,
Yeah girl, talk the truth.
they were informed that it's lethal in consequence, that it is airborne.
Girl, me not lie, you girl, you have a buzz. You nice, me not laugh.
Jesus Christ! Merciful God!
Oh God, Barry, you are a mess. You honestly are a mess. No, hold up, wait. And what kind of flash flood one in that going in a Mike Pence cornea?
It took me a while to realize that.
People, I can guarantee that in probably bad mind, Kamala fair response, but for ready I saw. You take it too far.
Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
And then now it was time for Mike Pence to speak, and just like Mr. Joe Biden, he went and took from the Nigel Clark handbook.
Susan, thank you.
Be disgustingly polite.
And I want to thank the commission and the university.
No, you know what is really funny in all of this is the fact that Kamala Harris is there trying to keep a poker face throughout while when Pence attack. And that little inner Jamaican what she have in her DNA, that little black mother thing will just have attitude, it just kept seeping out.
But I can tell you, having led the White House Coronavirus Task Force.
And then she was just bring it back with the smiling. Oh God, she have nice teeth in her ear. They look good. Jesus Christ, I forgot big up Kamala for that door. But yeah, man, so she like bring it back like, let me show poise. But you see, every minute it's like just I go back and forth to her like in a Miss Kitty, because you know Miss Kitty have two different spectrum. I gotta tell you something today. La 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 la. I want some dirty stinking stay mad probate, man. But differently though, what I really want to advise you people is that it must be indoctrinated in the university systems right across the island that me can't bother them look a dirty teach.
You know me can't live there? So say it here?
And right here, so she just kind of lose it, little like,
About. And I think the American people.
And right here, so people, is where we have like one of the takeaway lines of the night and see it here.
This is important.
Susan,
I want to
have to
add,
weigh in.
Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking.
I have to
I'm
weigh
speaking.
Like I said what I said, and that's it.
So Kamala was just like, hey, ewa.
Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking.
So Mike Pence no responded no. I'm not gonna lie, the brother, boy, him clever with the line. Like the brother just take what she say and just twist it him spin the entire narrative for suit film own agenda, which is really like a politician. But boy, oh boy, it was so in your face, like him not even this subtle with it.
That's a great disservice to the sacrifices the American people have made.
I'm referring
The
to
reality,
the
if I may finish.
Oh my God! Wow!
It's an evil world we live in.
The reality, if I may finish, Senator.
So me a combo? And me a really combo?
So then now you have to ask if Senator Harris never have to go and whop it back.
You respect the American people when you tell them the truth. You respect the American people when you have the courage
Which we've
to be a
always
leader
done.
speaking.
So fast forward now and later on now, the moderator got ask Mr. Pence the one question. And let me just tell you this, the brother dodged the question like Neo out of Matrix a fly from the bullet them.
To the issue of presidential disability? And if not, do you think you should? You have 2 minutes without interruption.
Well, Susan, thank you, although I would like to go back.
I think we need to move on
well,
to the
thank
issue
you, but
of
I would like to
vice
go back.
presidency.
Because the reality is that we're going to have a vaccine.
He did not even attempt to make it look like say he was going to do it. Him just board for just like say, yo, yeah, man, I answer that. This is how me want to chat about.
The fact that you continue to undermine public confidence in a vaccine, if the vaccine emerges during the Trump administration.
I've been trying to keep my composure. At the end of the day, it's going tick, tick, tick until I go boom.
All of this and him still don't answer the question.
Continuous undermining of confidence in a vaccine is just, it's just unacceptable.
Give it to me now!
And you see all the moderator I try to stop Pence, the man just go on and on like him as I want energize a bunny battery.
They keep going.
But we
Thank
still
you, Vice
learn
President
from it.
Pence.
And I think
And going.
Stop the bunny, please.
American
Pence, your
people,
time is
I'm going
up.
to say again,
And going.
be
Vice
proud
President Pence, I'm
of
sorry, your
what
time
we
is
have
up.
done. And Senator, please
Thank you, Vice
stop
President.
It's too much! Excuse me?
The man just go on like say him did right press along saying.
Press along, saints, press along in God's own way.
Man, I'm dead.
And let me just say, upon that same question about the whole aging politician, Senator Kamala Harris, she never really answered the question neither, you know.
When? Who's part our time?
Let me ask you the same question that I asked Vice President Pence, which is,
She just took that opportunity to just neatly give everybody her CV,
The first woman district attorney of San Francisco,
her resume, them kind of the same thing still.
California, where I ran the second largest Department of Justice in the United States.
Her LinkedIn,
And of course, now I serve in the United States Senate as only the second black woman ever elected.
Great like Tony the Tiger. Great.
and her profile interview description, all in the one answer.
I thought about my mother, who came to the United States at the age of 19.
All I have to say is that this is hard work. I've worked hard for a long time.
Oh yes, I said then know this big epic line enter the chat once more.
Everybody who makes less than $400,000
He said
a
he's going
year.
to repeal the Trump tax cuts.
Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking. Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking.
And you, you're gonna hear me. Oh.
That is funny.
Well, wait.
I'm speaking.
It'd be important if you said the truth. Joe Biden said twice in the debate.
No.
You know, I not got a problem with the line, but I just wish they bring a little bit more of their little Rochelle. Yeah, the mother there from everybody hates Chris.
Boy, I will slap the caps off your knees. I will knock you into last night.
So they want a little bit more of the little energy there, but maybe it would be too much for the, yeah. And then right now, I don't know what they flirting at Susan Ed, but Susan tried to go and stop Kamala, and Kamala had to kind of clock her quick.
This is very important, Susan.
Yes,
and it's
but
important.
we need to give Vice President.
I'd just like to, he interrupted me, and I'd like to just finish, please.
Hold up!
And you see on the next side of things, you see when Mike Pence attack, him don't stop chat until him decide when. It's like him, if he out of one internal clock, and he's not going to just finito until him just feel like, say, yeah man, I hate this man, I can't call it a rap. No, on my own term.
As difficult as they are,
Thank you, Vice President.
there are no more hurricanes to.
Shut up, just shut up, shut up.
Thank you.
But many of the climate alarmists
President
use
Pence, I'm
hurricanes.
Shut up, just shut up, shut up.
That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
The man fully bad and don't care. Have no fear, because President Donald Trump have false ear aware. What?
Susan,
Vice
the American
President
people
Pence, I
deserve to
didn't,
know.
Vice President Pence, I did not, excuse me.
Susan.
This is exactly what I was afraid of.
I'm here to enforce them, which involves moving from one topic to another, giving roughly equal time to both of you, which is what I'm trying very hard to do.
Yeah, so many never try. The job is done here.
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
Now, you done pissed me off. I didn't know my own strength.
Finally, Susan, can we get a little round of applause for you now? That is all your show say a moderator. Then Pence got another question again, and boy, oh boy, the man just started for Angel the question.
So tell us specifically, how would your administration protect Americans with pre-existing conditions to have access to affordable insurance?
You ask me so much questions for. Don't ask me that, man.
Let me just say, addressing your very first question,
You see it, Lance?
I'm pro-life. I don't apologize for it.
No, ma'am.
It got thrown to Kamala to respond, and she herself, I'm not gonna lie, she looked like she never want to talk about it.
Are you and Joe Biden, if somehow you win this election, going to pack the Supreme Court to get your way?
I'm so glad we went through a little history lesson. Let's do that a little more. In 1864...
That's history.
Like she was instructed, if them bring it up, just try to talk through the time. Talk about what kind of color nails did it have on.
In 1864...
Well, I'd like you to answer the question.
Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking. I'm speaking.
Anything but address that particular issue.
Abraham Lincoln's party was in charge not only of the White House, but the Senate.
No, that is literally me in every literature essay. Just a wing it.
We have to just do what we have to do.
2,000 years later.
The brother chat so much crap till all one fly takes seed on him scalp.
is a great insult to the men and women who serve in law enforcement, and I want everyone to know.
Something alright, yeah.
No man, so the fly just did it. It just fully now move. It just did here like Dwayne Wonder upon the dually rhythm. You know what kind of special though? I can just imagine how the Fly family create one bag of excitement and buzz down a Riverton City. I wing it up on national TV, blurting it. You must get a blue tick, you know. And me teach you for pitch pan people fight, so you know. Me always know so wing it, they go places. Hello everybody, I am Wingy's mother. I mean tell him say he must just use him voice and just grab a mic and just start the things them. And yeah, Pence was the nearest mic him could have found.
No.
Anyway, so Pence further went on now to say some things about Kamala Harris.
Brought together a group of Republicans and Democrats. Senator Harris, you got up and walked out of the room.
Ooh, yeah man, and so even though it wasn't really set for Kamala to respond, she asked the moderator for time and the moderator said, alright, I'm gonna give you some 30 seconds.
He attacked my record. I would like an opportunity to respond.
Let me give you 30 seconds.
Yes, goody! But, yes, you're right, as Kamala started getting to our speech, now Susan jump in.
Brought it holes.
Thank you.
Not only,
Thank you, Senator.
I would like to go through.
These are points that you made earlier in the hour, and I want to talk about the election itself before we have to.
But I want to talk about the connection between.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is a proper display of something that we've seen from the Maxine Walters handbook.
Reclaiming my time, reclaiming my time, reclaiming my time.
Yeah, you just got to deal with me, Trump.
I will not sit here and be lectured by the Vice President.
Our time has expired. Me never want to talk to you no more. You know you can't do for me though. Go on.
And then the debate ended and everything wrap up on yeah, hashtag and Kofat. So that is it for my review of the second debate between the vice presidents. We have Senator Kamala Harris and Mike Pence. Let me know who you thought won, who you thought killed it. What was your favorite moment of the debate? I think everybody's just saying so right now the fly large, the fly big, the fly have one bag of buzz. The fly is popular right now. Me hear so the fly upon OnlyFans. I do not know, but fly big up yourself and all of your accomplishments during that debate. I also think they need to go and get a COVID test just in case Mike Pence might have passed on to you, so you might want to just cook up by yourself. Okay, people, but hope say enjoy the video. If you did, make sure say you turn up the like button, you go thumbs up. Also, you leave the comment and you like and you share and you subscribe. The whole usual works. Follow me right here. So, all right, until the next time, I think we have one more debate. Hopefully they do it. Let's see what will happen. So, bye bye. Woo!
Box cover.